Hi, this is Michelle from Life School. What I'm going to show you today is how I make homemade sparkling citrus soda, also known as homemade La Croix. There are 4 reasons that I like this better than buying sparkling soda at the grocery store. First, it's cheaper. Sparkling soda is pretty expensive. It usually is about $1 a can. By making it at home, it's not exactly free because you have an upfront investment of a soda stream or something like that, but it's pretty darn close. I've had my soda stream, I think, for 5 years, and I replace the canister once every couple months, and I make a lot of soda. Number 2, it's lighter. So I find that carrying big bottles and aluminum cans from the grocery store filled with water is quite a schlep, and I'd much rather just make it at home and not have to deal with that. The third reason is this is much better for the environment. I don't want to be responsible for tons of aluminum and plastic waste if I don't need to be. The fourth reason that I like this trick is that it's pretty convenient. You never have to worry about running out. You will always have orange soda on hand. All right, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is get some fruit and slice it up and start to juice it. You might want to wear an apron as they tend to splash about. There's a lot of different fruit you can use for this. You can use grapefruit, oranges, lemons, really any citrus will work. You can even mix them up. And then grab a tray and pour the juice into the tray. When you're done, it's time to make some fizzy water. I keep cold water in a carafe in the fridge so that I always have cold water on hand. And I like to make my water extra bubbly. You'll see that I already had a few cubes pre-made here in my ice cube tray, and I'm popping them out. I think I got an orange and a grapefruit together, and you just pour the sparkling soda right on top. As the cubes melt, they will flavor the water with fresh, delicious, yummy citrus essence. You can put as many cubes or as few cubes as you like. Just go with your gut and experiment a bit. So there you have it, homemade sparkling citrus soda. Bring a straw and enjoy. Bon appetit.